In supply chain and operations management education, ERP systems, analytics, and decision-making are often taught as separate components. Connecting these elements into a coherent understanding of how companies actually operate remains quite challenging. And this connection gap becomes visible when students are asked to move from analysis to actual decision-making. In real business organizations, these elements are tightly interconnected. Every operational decision, whether it relates to procurement, production, or delivery, generates data. This data is analyzed with business intelligence tools, and the insights should inform the next decisions. So, from a teaching perspective, the question becomes, how do we make this cycle visible and meaningful for students? In RealGame, this integration is built directly into the learning environment. Students work in teams and manage their own virtual companies within a shared simulated market. They make operational decisions in an ERP-like environment, placing purchase orders, planning production, and managing customer deliveries. Each team is effectively responsible for running their own business and its supply chain. What is important here is that every action generates transaction-level data. So, instead of analyzing predefined datasets, students generate their own data through their decision-making. This data is then available in the business intelligence, where they can analyze performance across inventory levels, service performance, costs, and financial outcomes. Students also compare their results with other teams, and that introduces a competitive and analytical dimension. From a learning perspective, this changes things quite a lot. Students are no longer analyzing abstract or given data. Instead, they are analyzing the consequences of their own decisions. This creates a much stronger connection between action, outcome, and reflection. Through this process, students begin to understand how decisions propagate across the supply chain, how trade-offs emerge, and how performance can be improved. At the same time, they develop skills in collaboration, analytical reasoning, and structured decision-making. Ultimately, the aim is to help students move from simply using systems to understanding how decisions, data, and performance are interconnected in real business environments.